Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel Let's Italian. Today in this video, I will tell you the complete procedure for applying Ergo scholarship. So if you are new in this channel, kindly subscribe it and click on bell icon button for latest and upcoming updates. So let's start the video. The deadline for applying this scholarship is 31st August, so you can apply before 31st August to avail this opportunity. So just go to Google and type Ergo scholarship and choose first option. So here you can see the official page of Ergo Region Scholarship. Scroll down and you can download the guideline to Ergo scholarships. So now we will apply now. So just click on user dossier and scroll down. Click on student access. So here you can see 4 universities comes in Ergo regions. First one is Bologna, second one is Ferrara, third one is Modena, and fourth one is Parma. So I will choose University of Modena and then click on residence abroad with no Italian identity document. Then click on students with university access credentials. Then you have to log in with your university credentials. Now you have to put your personal detail. First your user data, surname, name, gender, date of birth, mobile number and email, then simple click on after you. Your nationality and country of birth, then simple click on after you. Next select country of residence, choose your country of residence, then simple click on after you. You have to select your country of domicile. I select Pakistan, then simple click on after you. Next just click on the box and declare that I have read all the privacy, then simple click on after you button. Our registration has been completed and now we have to log in and complete the data. So just go back to your page and go back to your main page, and here you can see international students. Just click on it and click on how to apply. So scroll down and the end of the page you can see access the reserved area and fill in the form regarding the benefit you are interested in. Just click on go and log in with your university credentials. Again select your branch, select university. So just click on acknowledgement and go. Simple click on apply now. Enter your email address and confirm. And now just click on data personale and click on fill in. Select your citizenship country. My case is Pakistan. Stateless select now. Holder of the international protection select now. Beneficiary of residence select no. Family unit lies in Italy. If yes, then select yes. Otherwise no. Select no. Permanent members of religious order select no. Select no. Select no. Again select no. If you have any disability then select yes. Otherwise select no and skip this boxes. Again select no. Certified email BC. This email will be made in Italy, so you are in now you are not in Italy, so skip this option and write your personal email here. Put your email address, country number, cell phone number, and then simple click on forward. Next option is residence. You have to put your residence details, country, region, province, or hamlet option is skip. Address, street number, telephone number, postcode. Then simple click on forward. One option is home address. Fill in only if different from residence. Otherwise skip this and simple click on forward. This is competition benefit list. Scroll down and first option select yes. Select second option select no and third select no. And then simple click on forward. Next confirm all the filled data. If all the data personal details are correct, then simple click on confirm now. Click OK. And then click on to apply for benefits. Then simple click on fill in option. Select economic condition. Your family unit gets income assets abroad. Select abroad. Select first option no, second option also no, and third also no. And then simple click on forward button. The next, does the applicant receive income from employee? select no, and then simply click on forward. Are you orphan for both parents? Select no. If you are orphan, then select yes, otherwise select no, and simply click on forward. But you have to select your family members other than you. If your family member is 6 including you, then you will write here 5. Number of family members, select if you're 2 sisters, then select 2 and select here Sorella Ferdello and select simple save. Same here for father, select padre and number of members, select 1. For mother, select madre and type 1. When all the family members added, then simple click on forward. Next, you have to select sibling present in the family unit, select no selection and select the second option, then simply click on forward. Does the family own any property abroad? Select no and select to add. Then simply select on income assets to add income assets and write down here one by one of all family members income assets. So I will select first father, own assets 0 and total in right here total income. Suppose I will write 2000 euro and select country and then simply click on save option. So add one by one all family members assets. And then simple click on forward. Next you have to again click on forward option. Check all your personal details. If all are correct, then simply click on confirm. Click OK. Simple click on go back to main menu. Next you have to click on in order to fill out the application benefits self-certification form. Click here. Then next simple click on competitive benefits. Fill in. Click on forward. Simple click on forward. And now you have to put your academic achievement requirements. You are going to enroll at select your university, type of course, I will select Laura Magistrale, master degree. Are you going to enroll as a freshman, first degree? Select matricula and simply click on forward. Academic achievement, freshman qualification. Do you give up your studies in the previous academic year? Select no. Do you lose your student status in the previous? Select no. Select no. And select no and simply click on forward. Write down here first, because you are applying for first semester. Year of enrollment 2023, very first enrollment 2023, enrollment year in the semester 2023, and type of enrollment, select regular course and then simply click on forward. Bachelor degree grade and second option, select now and simply click on forward. Select your benefits option, scholarship, first option select yes, second would you like to convert part of your scholarship, select no. Full or partial fee exemption, select no. Subsidized for catering service, select no. International mobility grant, select no. Income and academic achievement based logic. If you are applying for accommodation, then simple select on yes. Accommodation type, select new assignment, first choice, second choice, select according to your choices of residences. Paid internship part time for students, select no. Other preference, select according to your preference. Manage engineering. You want to apply for position of peer tutor, select no. Merit based logic, select no partial. And last option fee exemption according to law, select yes and then simple click on forward option. Sorry, the last option for disabled student, then we can't select this yes, simple select no and then select on forward. Next select both option no and simply click on forward option. Now you have to select your credit methods. We are in Pakistan, we don't need to put any payment details, just click on prepaid personal card to be issued. Then select all the details skips and simple click on forward. Select OK. Go back to main menu option. Click on this, and now you have to fill first two options, and then select on second option. Click on finalize the application, so your application will be finalized, your form will be submitted. So now I'm not clicking on this option because my documents are not ready. So I'm clicking on OK. If your documents are ready, then all information all you're ready, then simple click on finalize. Then again simple go back to main menu. Again click on this option and put your note area details, same like that second option, and click on finalize. So your form all will be finalized, and next you have to upload your all documents like passport, your income certificate, FRC, all documents you have to upload. Just go to this option for and click on user dossier section. So here again you have to log in with your credentials, and you have to put your token number and upload all the necessary documents. So this is the video. If you have any question, any query, you can mail me, you can contact me, you can